Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious cheese enfrijoladas that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Prepare these cheese enfrijoladas. These are the ingredients. I have California chili pods, garlic cloves, 1/4 of an onion. For the pinto beans, I cooked them in water, 1 garlic clove, 1 bay leaf, salt. I have cilantro with onion. I have fresh cheese, fresco, Los Altos, and of course corn tortillas. This is everything you need to prepare these cheesy enfrijoladas. So let's get started. I want to start preparing the California chili pods. I'm going to open them through the center. I'm going to take the seeds off and I'm going to take the little vein out. Remember, the California chili pods, once you have deveined them and taken out the seeds, you need to rinse them really good through running water. After this is done, I'm going to put them in this cup and I am going to rinse them really good. After that they're nice and cleaned, I'm going to add my garlic cloves. I'm going to add hot water and I'm going to put it aside and let the chili pods hydrate really good. Now I'm ready to continue with the onion. I'm going to go ahead and just chop the onion in pieces and I'm going to reserve it. On a hot pan, I'm going to add vegetable oil, just enough to fry the onion and cook the corn tortillas. The first thing is adding the onion. When it's nice and golden brown, then it is time to remove. The vegetable oil has been infused with the delicious flavor of the onion. In the same oil, I'm going to fry my corn tortillas. You just need them nice and soft. Don't overcook them. Just put them in there for just a couple seconds and then they're ready to go. These cheesy enfrijoladas come out delicious every time. It's a perfect recipe for summer. It doesn't take too long to make these cheesy enfrijoladas. Here on my blender, I'm adding my pinto beans. I'm going to add the mixture of the California chili pods and the garlic cloves, and of course, the fried onion. This is really going to come out delicious. The flavor of the fried onion and the rest of the ingredients give the beans such a delicious flavor. It really doesn't take too long. Blend it really good until it's nice and soft, nice and smooth. Once this is done, you are going to add in to the mixture of the vegetable oil. You're going to cook it in medium heat until it's bubbling from the inside, and that's going to take just a couple minutes, no more than 5 minutes. It's going to get nice and thick, and you decide the thickness of this mixture. If you don't like it too thick, you could add just a little bit of water. But this is really going to come out delicious. I am sure that once you make it, you are going to really enjoy this cheesy enfrijoladas. It's a very easy recipe, a very delicious and economic recipe that I know you are going to love. Well, here I am going to continue with the queso fresco Los Altos. Any kind of queso fresco you could use to make this enfrijoladas. I'm going to go ahead, pull it apart. I'm going to have two mixtures, one with just regular cheese and the second one with cheese, onion, and cilantro. This is the best part. Adding the cilantro and the onion into the queso fresco is really going to elevate the flavor of the enfrijoladas. Okay, this is ready. I am ready to assemble my cheesy enfrijoladas. Of course, you need to have sour cream. And now I am ready. Look at this. You're going to put the tortilla into the mixture of the beans. Add enough and be very generous with your cheese. Add a little more of the sauce right on the top of the bean sauce, and then you are ready to garnish with sour cream and extra cheese right on the top. Let me tell you, make this amazing cheesy enfrijoladas. Your family is really going to enjoy them. If you liked and loved this recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. I am sure you're going to love this recipe. I am ready for the presentation. I can't wait to enjoy. So I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with these delicious cheesy enfrijoladas that I know you guys are going to love. But this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Be generous with your cheese. They're still nice and hot. And I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. Just amazing. The flavor of the bean sauce, just delicious. The California chili pot, the garlic, really gave the beans a delicious and amazing flavor. I hope you enjoy what I cook at home with my family. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here, part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you on my next delicious recipe. Bye-bye.